In today's digital marketplace, managing product content effectively is key to ensuring accurate listings, consistent branding, and seamless customer experiences. Syndigo is a leading product information management and master data management platform that helps brands, retailers, and manufacturers centralize, optimize, and distribute product content across multiple channels. Whether you're dealing with thousands of SKUs, managing global product catalogs, or navigating the complexities of omni-channel distribution, Syndigo provides the tools to streamline content syndication, data quality checks, compliance, and collaboration. In 2025, it continues to be a trusted choice for enterprises seeking efficiency and consistency in how their product data is delivered to market. In this video, we'll walk through Syndigo's core features, explain how they benefit your organization, and show you how to implement a modern product content management process using this robust platform. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the centralized product information management. Syndigo offers a unified PIM system where all product content, titles, descriptions, dimensions, images, specifications, and compliance data can be managed in one place. This single source of truth ensures accuracy and consistency across internal teams and external partners. This reduces errors and duplication, improves brand consistency, and accelerates time to market for new product listings. Another key feature is the data quality and validation tools. Syndigo includes rule-based data validation tools that help identify incomplete, outdated, or non-compliant product content. Users receive automated alerts and suggestions to correct issues before content is published or shared. This ensures content accuracy and meets retailer specific requirements, reducing rejections and improving vendor scorecards. Another key feature is the omni channel syndication. The platform allows you to distribute product content to a wide network of retailers, marketplaces, distributors, and internal systems. Syndigo supports popular endpoints like Amazon, Walmart, Target, and Shopify, along with custom exports. This simplifies multi-channel publishing, eliminates the need for duplicate entries, and ensures consistency across every sales channel. Another key feature is the enhanced content and rich media management. Syndigo supports rich content, including 360-degree images, videos, comparison charts, and interactive modules to enhance the shopping experience. These assets can be linked to specific SKUs and deployed across platforms. This increases customer engagement, improves conversion rates, and helps products stand out in competitive marketplaces. Another key feature is the collaboration and workflow automation. Built-in workflows allow multiple stakeholders, marketers, compliance officers, data teams to review, approve, and publish content within a governed structure. Role based access ensures control and visibility throughout the content lifecycle. This streamlines teamwork, minimizes delays in product updates, and supports accountability with transparent approvals and history tracking. So, why is Syndigo a great choice? Syndigo is purpose built for businesses that handle large volumes of product data across multiple sales channels. What makes it stand out in 2025 is its seamless integration of PIM, MDM, and syndication, all within a single platform. With Syndigo, you don't just manage product content, you enhance it, validate it, and deliver it where it needs to go, faster and more accurately. It's also a scalable platform that supports global businesses with multi language support, data localization, and regional compliance tools. Whether you're a mid sized brand scaling operations or a multinational enterprise optimizing your supply chain, Syndigo adapts to meet your needs. Additionally, with built in analytics and retailer feedback integration, you can gain insights into content performance and continually refine your product pages for better engagement and sales. So basically, Syndigo empowers organizations to take full control of their product content, from creation and validation to syndication and performance tracking. With its centralized PIM system, powerful automation tools, and unmatched distribution capabilities, it's a comprehensive solution for modern commerce. So, if you're looking to reduce time to market, improve content quality, and deliver a consistent product experience across every touchpoint, Syndigo is a smart, future ready investment. So start organizing, enriching, and distributing your product content with Syndigo and transform the way your business manages data at scale. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.